September 8th, the Lord's battle. 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 47. Then all this assembly shall know that the Lord does not save with sword and spear, for the battle is the Lord's, and he will give you into our hands. When King George VI gave his Christmas address to the British people in 1939, World War II had just begun. The German armies had conquered northern Europe, and a long war lay ahead. In his speech, the king quoted these words from a book by Louise Haskins. "And I said to the man who stood at the gate of the year, 'Give me a light that I may tread safely into the unknown.' And he replied, 'Go out into the darkness and put your hand into the hand of God. That shall be to you better than light and safer than a known way.'" As David faced the prospect of confronting a seasoned warrior nearly twice his size and vastly more experienced in battle, he also knew where to place his faith, not in the security of swords and spears, but in the power of God. David knew that his skill would not save the day. Instead, the Lord would be the deciding factor. It was his battle. Life is filled with giants that are bigger than we. Seemingly insurmountable obstacles can dog our every step. But when faced with overwhelming odds, it's comforting to know that the outcome doesn't depend on us. Of course, we must be obedient and do our part. Whatever skills or gifts that God has given us must be used. But having put forth our best efforts, we can be assured that God will be the one who ultimately determines the battle's outcome. Rest in the knowledge that the battle is the Lord's. He is the one who gives the victory. The Lord's battle is our victory. Amen.